Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best pocket microscope is probably one of the most exciting ways to introduce young minds to the wonders of science. These compact devices offer a unique opportunity for kids aged 8 to 12 to explore the microscopic world, from the smallest insects to the intricate details of everyday objects. Join me as we dive into the features and benefits of these amazing tools, helping you choose the perfect pocket microscope to spark your child's curiosity and ignite their passion for discovery. Number 5. Carson MicroBrite Plus LED Pocket Microscope. Introducing the Carson MicroBrite Plus, a portable pocket microscope. It's a fantastic educational tool for students, perfect for exploring the world around them. This handheld device brings science to life. This compact and lightweight microscope is designed for on-the-go learning. It's an ideal STEM toy for classroom or field use, encouraging hands-on exploration and understanding. The MicroBrite Plus features a built-in LED light system. This provides clear and bright illumination, ensuring accurate observations of specimens. With a magnification range of 60x to 120x, this microscope adapts to any experiment. It provides stunning accuracy and precision when viewing slides or everyday objects. Designed and lab-tested in New York by Carson, a trusted name in optics since 1990. You can trust its quality and performance for all your scientific explorations. What we like? This microscope is compact and lightweight, making it perfect for on-the-go exploration. Its bright LED illumination ensures clear vision, and a high magnification range allows for detailed observations. If you're looking for a versatile microscope for both classroom and field use, this is a great choice. What people say. Using as I am supposed to though, it's very easy to set the focus and the image is very clear. Worth every penny, very fun to play around with and see the mini world. Be a little awkward to use at first, but you'll get used to it and be off looking at everything in up to 120x magnification. Nice to have an LED to highlight the item being looked at. Number 4. Carson MicroFlip MP250 Pocket Microscope with Smartphone Clip. Want to share your discoveries? This microscope comes with a smartphone clip, allowing you to easily document and share what you find. It's perfect for students and educators to share their findings. See the world in detail with the MicroFlip. The lens system minimizes distortion, providing sharp images. It's an ideal tool for anyone studying microbiology. Explore the fascinating world of biology with this educational toy. It's perfect for exploring cells, bacteria, and viruses. The versatile illumination and magnification make learning fun. Take your explorations anywhere. With its lightweight design and wrist strap, this pocket microscope is perfect for fieldwork. It allows children to explore and experiment wherever they go. Discover the unseen world with 100x to 250x magnification. This microscope reveals details of bacteria and microorganisms under various lighting conditions. It brings the microscopic world to life. What we like? The included smartphone clip lets you easily capture and share your findings. Its high-clarity imaging provides sharp images, perfect for studying microbiology. If you are a student or educator who wants to document and share discoveries, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. The objective is very well controlled and pretty hard to accidentally dip inside your sample. Overall, for simply checking if something is there on an outdoor situation, this is amazing. Yes, there is some distortion but nothing major, and definitely not what you'd expect from this price tag. The microscope is built sturdy, slim enough for your pocket, purse, or hand, big or small. The functions are all easy to use. And when I used it on my phone, I was even more impressed. The unit is extremely easy to use and apply both at home and in the field. It's portable and can be used by anyone at any skill level. Number 3. National Geographic Dual LED Kids Microscope Kit. Discover a hidden world with this amazing microscope kit. It allows kids to explore things they can't see with their own eyes. This STEM lab kit will keep them entertained for hours. This microscope has a unique dual function. Use the lower LED lights to view slides, or switch to the upper lights to examine 3D objects. It's the perfect STEM activity for any child. The kit comes with everything needed to get started. It includes prepared slides, blank slides, and tools like tweezers and an eyedropper. It even has a mini geode. This microscope provides 20x and 50x magnification. It's easy to use, making learning fun and accessible. Kids will love doing science experiments with it. We are proud to make high-quality, hands-on science toys. We back all our products with exceptional service. If you're not satisfied, let us know, and we'll make it right. What we like. This microscope features dual LED illumination, allowing you to view both slides and 3D objects. It comes with over 50 accessories, including prepared and blank slides. If you have a budding scientist eager to explore the microscopic world with a comprehensive kit, this is an excellent option. What people say. The microscope has 10x and 25x lens that are easy to exchange. It has both top and bottom lighting, allowing lots of objects to be viewed without putting them on slides. This device is simple and sturdy enough to meet the challenges of his age range, yet still provides a wow, cool level of magnification that will keep a kid interested. Number 2. Carson Pocket Micro MM450 Microscope. Introducing the Carson Pocket Micro, a handheld STEM toy. This amazing device encourages children to explore the world around them, fostering a love for science and discovery. It's perfect for young scientists. With 20 to 60 times magnification, this microscope provides a wider field of view. It's ideal for examining stamps, coins, plants, or any everyday items. You'll be amazed at what you can see. The Pocket Micro features a built-in LED light for clear observations. This is crucial for viewing in low-light conditions, ensuring you get the best possible view. The light makes all the difference. Despite its compact size, this microscope is built to last. You can take it anywhere, from backyard adventures to classroom settings. It's designed to withstand daily use. The Carson Pocket Micro MM450 is designed for ease of use. Its straightforward controls mean that users of all ages can quickly learn to operate it. Get ready to explore. What we like. This microscope promotes STEM education with its ease of use and wider field of view. Its portable and durable design makes it suitable for various environments. If you like exploring everyday items and fostering a love for science, this is a great choice. What people say. Literally fits in your pocket. Works well, focuses nicely, excellent for on-the-go observations and learning. Es muy pequeñito. Te caben cualquier bolsillo, y es muy divertido para los niños. Number 1. Carson MicroBrite MM24 Pocket Microscope. This is the Carson MicroBrite MM24, a pocket microscope. It's a compact and portable device, perfect for on-the-go observations. The microscope offers a magnification range of 20x to 40x. This allows you to examine small details with clarity and precision. It features an LED light, ensuring bright and clear illumination of your specimens. This enhances the viewing experience, making it easier to see the details. Weighing only 2 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. Its compact size makes it ideal for field studies or casual exploration. The package includes 2 slides and a base stand. These accessories enhance its functionality, providing everything you need to start exploring. With dimensions of 3.9 by 2.1 by 1.1 inches, it's designed for easy handling and storage. It's a powerful tool in a small package. What we like. This microscope offers a 20-40x magnification range in a lightweight and compact design. It includes slides and a base stand for immediate use. If you are looking for a simple, easy-to-use microscope for basic observation, this is a great choice. What people say. Great picture quality and size. The focus and magnification are easy to adjust. The optics are good, the LED light works well, the whole thing feels robust and it could be carried easily on a country walk. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.